Beautiful day here in Springfield. So we're just currently just running radar and waiting for calls and stuff. So that's good. Yeah. Oh, here we go. We've just got a call. What does it say? Guy on lawnmower. Huh. A guy on lawnmower. I'd like some more description. It's not very descriptive, so I'm not sure if I should respond to that. But yeah. What? This is a 55 zone and there's a lawnmower. Huh. Yeah, maybe I'll check it out. Oh. Has he noticed? Come on. What? He's mowing the grass. Let's go have a look at what he's done. Hey sir. Why you on a lawnmower just driving across the road? This is a 55 zone. I don't know. You don't know? Huh. Okay. Well, that's very interesting. Could you just wait there for me? Okay. That's quite weird. Not sure why there's a guy on a lawnmower just randomly doing that. Okay, I guess we'll just ask for some identification. Hey, could I have some identification? Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's just run that here. Okay. Lawnmower. Okay. Seems all good here. Yeah. Hey, here's your lawnmower. Your ID. Well, I'm gonna have to give you a ticket. 'Cause, you know? Yeah, a ticket. What do you mean, no, please? I'm gonna have to write your ticket, so... Hey! What? Right. No, you... Oh my... I've literally... Oh, there he is. Stop now. Well, I'm not gonna stop. You just ran from me. No. Come on, you just ran from me. What do you mean, no you didn't? Right. Okay, let's just cuff him here. Why are you running from me? Like, literally. Like, 'cause you don't know. Oh, of course you don't know. Let me just... Look, man, I've okay, like, I mean, I don't know why you ran here. You know what I mean? You don't know either. So you're saying you ran from me, and you don't know why you ran. Oh gosh. Right. I'm gonna search you, okay? He's got anything. He's got a crowbar, scanner, glass cutter, and a lockpick. Wow. So what are those for? I'm gonna ride them over the sheriff's station. And yeah. Okay, so let's just turn around here. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Again, I really appreciate you guys watching, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these types of roleplay videos, please make sure to like and subscribe. Anyways, goodbye.